Let's now look at an application example where we're going to find some error estimates. We're told that the radius of a circular disc is 24 centimeters and it has a maximum error in measurement of 0.2 centimeters. We want to estimate the maximum error, the relative error, and the percentage error in the calculated area of the disk. Y is equal to f of x is the function that we're going to be calculating the error in. So in our example, this is going to be the area function. The maximum error is given by dy. The relative error is then dy divided by y. And then the percentage error is just the relative error times 100%. I went ahead and drew a circle to represent our circular disc. It has a radius r, and we're going to write down that the area is pi r squared. So we are going to be calculating the error in this area. Let's first find the maximum error. So the maximum error is going to be dA. Taking that derivative, we have 2 pi r times dr. We are told that r is 24 centimeters, and then the maximum error in measurement, that's actually dr, and that is 0.2 centimeters. And now we can find dA. So dA is 2 pi times r, which is 24 centimeters. Make sure to put units in there. And then our dr is 0.2 centimeters. And this is equal to 9.6 pi centimeters squared. When we leave pi in our answer is an exact answer. Now let's find the relative error. That is dA divided by A. dA was 2 pi r dr. I'm just looking right up here for that. And then we divide it by A, which is pi r squared. So one of the r's cancels, the pi's cancel. So we end up with 2 dr in the numerator and then r in the denominator. We have 2 times dr, which is 0.2 centimeters, all divided by r, which is 24 centimeters, which gives us a relative error of 0.0167. The last thing that we need to calculate is the percentage error. So the percentage error is just our relative error, 0.0167 times 100%. So this is just 0.0167 times 100. And that gives us a value of 1.67%. So this calculation tells us that if the error in our radius is 0.2 centimeters, the percentage error in our area is 1.67%.
If this video has been helpful to you, please consider subscribing to my channel. Keep believing in yourself and have a great rest of your day.